Hi, welcome to Certified with Conrad. My name is Conrad, and I'm an IT support specialist and computer science graduate with a first-class degree. I'm CompTIA Security Plus certified and currently preparing for the CCNA certification. I created this channel to help beginners understand IT certifications and technical concepts in a simple, practical way. On this channel, you'll find Security Plus lessons, packet tracer networking labs, CCNA preparation content, and practical IT skills you can use in real-world environments. I'll also be sharing guidance and strategies for passing the TOEFL IBT exam. I recently achieved a TOEFL score equivalent to 118 out of 120, and I want to help others prepare confidently and perform at their best. If you're preparing for IT certifications, networking exams, or the TOEFL IBT, you're in the right place. Subscribe and let's learn together.